Victor Hugo, best quotes. 1. He who opens a school door, closes a prison. 2. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. 3. To love or have loved, that is enough. 4. Nothing makes a man so adventurous as an empty pocket. 5. Music expresses that which cannot be said and on which it is impossible to be silent. 6. There is nothing like a dream to create the future. 7. Laughter is the sun that drives winter from the human face. 8. The soul helps the body, and at certain moments raises it. 9. Caution is the eldest child of wisdom. 10. The supreme happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. 11. To die is nothing, but it is terrible not to live. 12. When a woman is talking to you, listen to what she says with her eyes. 13. Peace is the virtue of civilization. War is its crime. 14. There are thoughts which are prayers. 15. People do not lack strength, they lack will. 16. Let us sacrifice one day to gain a whole life. 17. Reason is intelligence taking exercise. 18. A man is not idle because he is absorbed in thought. 19. Toleration is the best religion. 20. The future has several names. For the weak, it is impossible. For the faint-hearted, it is unknown. For the valiant, it is ideal. 21. Life is the flower for which love is the honey. 22. A mother's arms are made of tenderness and children sleep soundly in them. 23. One is not idle because one is absorbed. There is both visible labor and invisible labor. 24. Success is a terrible thing and a wonderful thing. 25. The beautiful has but one type, the ugly has 1,000. 26. Those who live are those who fight. 27. The wise man does not grow old. Every day he learns something. 28. Loving is half of believing. 29. Revolution is the lover of civilization. 30. The guilty one is not he who commits the sin, but the one who causes the darkness. 31. There is always more misery among the lower classes than there is humanity in the upper classes. 32. Conscience is God present in man. 33. Where the telescope ends, the microscope begins. Which of the two has the grander view? 34. Men hate those to whom they have to lie. 35. There is nothing more powerful than an idea whose time has come. 36. The reduction of the universe to a single being, the expansion of a single being even to God, this is love. 37. He who does not weep does not see. 38. Civil war. What does that mean? Is there any foreign war? Isn't every war fought between men, between brothers? 39. Winter is on my head, but eternal spring is in my heart. 40. What a grand thing it is to be loved. What a far grander thing it is to love. 41. To love beauty is to see light. 42. Being good is easy, what is difficult is being just. 43. What is history? An echo of the past in the future, a reflex from the future on the past. 44. To put everything in balance is good, to put everything in harmony is better. 45. Love is the foolishness of men, and the wisdom of God. 46. The soul has illusions as the bird has wings, it is supported by them. 47. It is from books that wise people derive consolation in the troubles of life. 48. Not being heard is no reason for silence. 49. Progress is the stride of God. 50. There is no more sovereign eloquence than the truth in indignation. 51. The ode lives upon the ideal, the epic upon the grandiose, the drama upon the real. 52. When dictatorship is a fact, revolution becomes a right. 53. We are all under sentence of death, but with a sort of indefinite reprieve. 54. To rise from error to truth is rare and beautiful. 55. Initiative is doing the right thing without being told. 61. The brutalities of progress are called revolutions. When they are over, this fact is recognized, that the human race has been treated harshly, but that it has advanced. 62. Every man who writes, paints, plays or creates, is seeking God. 63. Curiosity is one of the forms of feminine bravery. 64. The first symptom of love in a young man is timidity, in a girl it is boldness. 65. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. 66. Hell is an idea first born on an unkind heart. 67. Despair is the conclusion of fools. 68. A man is not where he lives, but where he loves. 69. What makes night within us may leave stars. 70. Teach the ignorant as you would a child. 71. Melancholy is the happiness of being sad. 72. Revolution begins with awareness. 73. A faith is a necessity to a man. Woe to him who believes in nothing. 74. What is love? I have met in the streets a very poor young man who was in love. His hat was old, his coat worn, the water passed through his shoes, and the stars through his soul. 75. A writer is a world trapped in a person. 76. The man who smiles when things go wrong has thought of someone to blame it on. 77. Life's greatest happiness is to be convinced we are loved. 78. When grace is joined with wrinkles, it is adorable. There is an unspeakable dawn in happy old age. 79. The human heart has hidden treasures, in secret kept, in silence sealed. 80. Love is the reduction of the universe to a single being, and the expansion of a single being even to God. 81. Diamonds are found only in the dark places of the earth. 82. One believes others will never go, until they go. 83. A man is not unworthy for having been wrong, he is unworthy only if he fails to acknowledge it. 84. A library implies an act of faith. 85. As the purse is emptied, the heart is filled. 86. Love is like a tree, it grows of its own accord, it puts down deep roots into our whole being. 87. Hope is the word which God has written on the brow of every man. 88. The one thing stronger than all the armies in the world is an idea whose time has come. 89. To live without loving is to not really live. 90. The paradise of the rich is made out of the hell of the poor. 91. Love each other dearly always. There is scarcely anything else in the world but that, to love one another. 92. Sleep in peace, God is awake. 93. The great acts of love are done by those who are habitually performing small acts of kindness. 94. The pen is mightier than the sword if the sword is very short, and the pen is very sharp. 95. Pain is as diverse as man. One suffers as one can. 96. To be loved is to be fortunate, but to be hated is to achieve greatness. 97. Tears are the silent language of grief. 98. Nothing else in the world, not all the armies, is so powerful as an idea whose time has come. 99. Thought is the labor of the intellect, reverie is its pleasure. 100. Each man should frame life so that at some future hour fact and his dreaming meet.